Okay, now let's start working with the Hello World game. To work with the game, you have to load up the Hello World project under Scratch. The target of this game is to move this key to the Palace of Programming so that we can unlock the door to the programming world. This is how the game is going to work. When we press on this green flag, we're going to wait for the key to touch this Palace of Programming. And when the key touches the palace, we're going to broadcast an unlock message. Once the message is right, receive the broadcast, it's going to pop up a Hello World message. And of course, when we move the key, we have to avoid touching the spaceship sprites. To start the game, you have to press on this green flag. There are 3 different ways to win this game. The first way is to use your mouse to drag the key to the palace. While you're moving the key, you have to avoid touching the other sprites. And once you reach the palace, you're going to see a pop-up message, Hello World. So notice that now you cannot just restart the game by pressing on the green flag, because the key is now touching the palace, so you are now winning the game. So even you press on the green flag, the Hello World message is going to show up because you are winning. To restart the game, what you have to do is to move away this Hello World message and then move the key away from the palace. Then now you can press on the green flag to restart the game.